Okay, hopefully this is recording now. Looks like it is. What I got here is a little bit of an update. Most of you know about the ability to move the map and some particles and whatnot. I have the day-night cycle set a little bit fast and a few other things on the go. More importantly, right now, you can spawn in a tank. Oh, and it's gonna fall over maybe. Yep, there we go. Right now the spawn point is randomly someplace up above the ground. I'll have to make some placed spawn points. So that's a tank. Or something to get rid of that weird particle by running into it. You've seen this before. It controls. I can move the barrels. We can put the camera. We can actually attach the camera to it. What I can do is I can also spawn another tank. And automatically I'm controlling that tank, and then this one goes into this weird sort of automated mode. And yeah, no, I do got a bit of a cold, so I'll apologize now if I accidentally cough or whatever, but I'm trying not to cough into the mic. Yeah, so we got a couple tanks, and you can hop between the tanks. And I'm just gonna add another tank for fun. Oh, you dropped in pretty close. So if I go in this tank, you can change tanks, and the camera stays in whatever perspective you were in. I'm not sure if I got the camera. No, I still got the. I don't have the camera mounted to the turret again. I gotta fix that. But oh, I forgot about that. I just added a whole bunch of tanks. I forgot. I'm pretty sure if we look here. Oh no, I was on last thing I clicked. Sorry, that was my bad. Last thing I clicked was next tank, and the UI uses space as like an enter. So see if I can hit that tank a few times. Yeah, so it blew up. Now, this thing is smart enough to not attempt to hop through that tank. And if you see in the lower corner, there's 32 slots. And this will happily hop between only the available tanks. Let's just lower that. I should be able to just kill this tank. Actually, let's hop tanks for the sake of fun. Go for a drive over here. Put the camera inside right now. That drops the camera at that world position. Whoa. Oh yeah, switching tanks. Let's keep forgetting I gotta click back in the scene. I gotta fix that. Oh. Oh, okay, so now there's only one tank in the scene. When I click next tank, it'll only go to this tank. I'm tank 2. It just simply won't find any tank. So it's tank index 2 is a live tank. Anyhow, something else you may have noticed is that I'm starting to work in a parallax-based weird background. It kind of works a little better when you're in the tank. I don't have the colors and the lighting on it set properly. It does somewhat react to the sun if I can get turned around in time. Well, missed it. We should see the sun come up over here again, I guess. We'll see. Kind of need a compass. And maybe a different camera mode on the mini-map. We'll see. What should happen is the sun will come up this way, I guess. It's going to come up that way. There we go. No, we didn't have any distant buildings or factory stuff in the way, but they're just a billboard. a very special billboard, but there's a couple layers, so there's some parallax error going on, and I might add some more layers later, but you're not really going to get much closer than this, and there's going to be more fog and particles and that kind of stuff going on in the scene, so you're not going to really see those tanks, and then you're not going to really see this close to that detail on those distant buildings. And I got to make it so that the camera is attached to the barrel again, but there we go. So that should be on easy. Anyhow, that's a small update, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.